This MDP copy is made on the topic of food pyramid. So we made this triangle shape on the cover to show the pyramid. This is the introduction page. Here we need to write the school name, teacher's name and students' details. This is link with subjects or learning areas. Acknowledgement. This is an acceptance note to all the teachers who helped for this project. Next is material used in the project. Here we need to write all the materials like pencils, color pencils, pen, scale, scissors, etc. To decorate this page, you can draw some materials. Next is content. Here we need to write all the content of this project according to their page numbers and leave a space for teacher signatures. Next is my learnings from this project. Here we need to write all that we have learned from this project. This is bibliography. Here we write all the books name and sites names where from we took help. Here from all subject related writing began. This is an English story about food pyramid. We took this story from a site and this picture is also related to this story. This is an English poem on food pyramid. Next is math. In math, we have made a nutrition chart and a price chart of food item. Next is Hindi. These are question answers on food pyramid in Hindi. ये है फूड पिरामिड की संरचना. Next, EVS, nutrition groups and source. Science behind food pyramid. This is art. This is MDP copy on the topic of festival. Introduction, link with subjects, acknowledgement, material used in the project, content, my learnings from this project, bibliography, English, a poem on festival, an article on festival, हिंदी, त्योहार की कहानी होलिका दहन. त्योहार पर प्रश्न उत्तर. मैथ स्टोरी सम्स. शेप्स. EVS survey. Questions and answers. Art.